Hello students, welcome you all in Olympiad GK class. Today we will discuss chapter number 11 Life Skills. Let's start the discussion. Question number 1. Whenever you make a decision, you have to be ready to accept the results. The results of your actions are called. Four options are there and the correct option is option number B, consequences. Correct option is option number B, consequences. Now, next question. Question number 2. If 3 cats kill 3 rats in 3 minutes, then how long will it take for 100 cats to kill 100 rats? Very easy question. Again, D. 3 minutes. Which of the following does not represent? Question number 3. Which of the following does not represent behavior of a good student? Does not represent. Option B. Participating only in personal interest. Following a school rule, obviously. Being punctual, obviously. Respecting other student, obviously. But participating only in personal interest is not a good behavior. Okay. Next, which of the following does not demonstrate professionalism? Question number 4. Correct option is B. That is, Aman is texting his friend during meeting. Jasprit arrived 10 minutes earlier for a work. Very good. Manu takes at the initiative to clean off 2 shelves instead of 1. Very good. Aman is texting his friend during a meeting. No, it's not a good behavior. Okay. Now, next, question number 5. Which of the following is not associated with nonverbal communication? Which of the following is not associated with nonverbal communication? 4 options are there, not associated. So, answer should be for question number 5, conversation. Because conversation is verbal communication. Facial expression, nonverbal communication. Symbol, nonverbal communication. Body language is also nonverbal communication. So, conversation is not associated with nonverbal communication. It's verbal communication. Now, question number 6. Question number 6. Having the confidence to try new things is a sign of strong personality. It's not emotion, it's personality. Question number 7. Which of the following represents the concept that describes the belief of an individual or culture? Their values. Values represents the beliefs of an individual or culture. Next, question number 8. If you are participating in an inter-school football match, then you should hurt the opposing team member, start crying on losing the match, accept victory or defeat like a true sportsman, and last, use unfair means to win. Obviously not accept victory or defeat like a true sportsman. Question number 9. Which of the following traffic signal is used for one-way traffic? The first one, it's two-way. Cross means one way. Okay, now next page. Question number 10. Critical thinking requires basic qualities as. Question number 10. Critical thinking requires basic qualities as curiosity, obviously, investigation, obviously, keen observation, obviously. So, answer should be D. All of this. We need curiosity, we need investigation, we need keen observation. Answer should be D. Question number 11. Dash skills help us to find solution for complex issues. Problem solving. Next, question number 12. Which of the following defines communication barrier? Okay. Something that allows for accurate communication? No. Anything that interferes with communication? Yes. This one. Next, something only the listener needs to control? No, obviously not. So, correct answer should be B. Question number 13. Which of the following are the benefits of lateral thinking? Benefits of lateral thinking. Okay. 1. Helps to solve problem. Yes. Stimulates creativity and innovation. Yes. Yes. Help in anger management? No. Facilities brainstorming? Yes. So it should be 1 to 4 only. Question number 13. 1 to 4 C. It should be C. Now next 14. If your class teacher makes you the team leader of a team working on a project, then what should be your attitude towards the team member? Respect all the member of the team, be fair and treat everyone equally. Do not include everyone constant in decision making. No. A and B. So correct answer will be D. D. A and B both. Last question. Question number 15. Question number 15. Perseverance, which is a necessary trait possessed by successful student, involves. Question number D. Okay. Ability to see failure as a positive learning experience. Yes. Trying until the goal is attained. Yes. Developing mental strength. Yes. So answer should be D. All of this. All of these are correct. So students, that's all for today. Discussion is complete. This chapter have only 15 questions. Discussion is complete. I think all the doubts are clear. Bye.